Oh, these niggas scared, man. Let me show y'all how it's done. I'm gonna dust my ass, just let y'all know it's done. My rib cage hurt so bad, bro. The medic had to come check on me, bro. Hey, oh shit. Hey man, you gotta slow down.
Got money in my blood till trunks is 100. You put me on the front. Like good, cause I'm chillin' in the sun. No handouts, got it out the mud. Random nigga shit, pay the rent. Me and cousins, what the bitch pass from the mama with a one. So fine, so the baby, she the one. Love mom so thick, might just let her have my son.
The deal, YouTube. Today we on another side mission, man. We going snowboarding at Alpine Valley. I'm about to go out there with my brother and my cousin. Bringing people on mic with me. Y'all gonna see us beginner snowboarders fall on our ass. As simple as that. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna be alright. We gonna learn after about an hour. We should be decent. That's how I feel about it. Might ask a couple people some questions while we out there and do a little mini pulley interview for the gram. But yeah, I'm gonna see y'all when we get with them. And it's gonna be funny as fuck. So yeah, stay tuned, man. Just if you gotta fast forward to the fucking part where we already there, fuck it. Fuck it. See you there. Finally up here, this shit about to get hilarious real fast. Nigga about to be walking like some newborn kids. Overly trim with them. You trim. You look like you could float with them bitches on. This mic before the tragedy. Before you go face first in the snow. You got, I was about to say, you got the Nike tag on there still? He just bought the goggles. He said it got serious for the fit. It wasn't complete without it. It ain't complete without it. Bro, I really bought, like, I see what they mean though. Like, alright, man, it's sunny out. I think it's gonna be the back foot. Yeah, cause it kind of feels awkward doing it from this angle. I ain't gonna cut. Oh shit! I done already bust my ass. I ain't even on the hill. Look. Is it right? It's supposed to be the left foot.
So your dominant foot in the front.
This bitch, oh, we on this bitch. So what's the deal?
My hand was crooked.
Nah. Don't look at me, bro.
You do? Oh my god.
They got no bar.
I was
This is unsafe.
Grab my phone. Look like that.
I'm ready.
Yeah, you like a pro, man. What's some pointers? Well, what not to do?
You all the way up there now.
Is that supposed to go this way or?
Oh. Okay. It's difficult to get up. Bro, done went the other way. Oh, shit. All right, go.
Why you going that way?
Now, what was that, man? You got scared.
Yes.
All right, you ready? Man, I done got my ass deep down there. I'm going that gut, though. We really lost Nike, like, real shit. He took off the other way. I said, no, don't do that. This nigga disappeared. Never came down. It's Friday the 13th, cuz, I don't know. Might be his unlucky day. He got snatched up. I'm gonna see y'all when we get up there. I'm gonna try to get a clip and come down as this.
Oh, that fucking body hurt.
Dude,
And that was
wait.
like one go.
Hey. Oh, these niggas scared, man. Let me show y'all how it's done. I'm gonna dust my ass, just let y'all know it's done. My rib cage hurt so bad, bro. The medic had to come check on me, bro. He said, I seen you laying there for a second. I said, yeah, man, I knocked the wind out of myself. I had to sit down for a second. I was talking crazy in that last clip, y'all seen. Phone went flying. We waiting on Debo to come back down and get something to drink. Cause boy, oh boy, I need a break real quick. Damn. Man, Wait on him to come down the hill now. You gotta give him about 10 minutes. He be down here.
Oh, yeah. Bend your knees. Oh, yeah.
Oh, damn.
You messed up the film. We're gonna crop that out. Yup. Zigzag. Nigga, about to zigzag.
Hey, man, you gotta slow down. Yeah, there it goes. Hey, this literally me on the way down, dude. You gotta fall to stock yourself, but you don't get to determine how you fall, basically. Okay, that was smooth right there. Hey, just post that clip right there.
That's it. That's only the end.
Come on, Debo. You better than this. It's alright, man. He had to check on me too. He said he seen me down there for a while.
Stop. Not a butter slide, but what you do is
Everybody out here in no pro.
you
Fly right past you, 30 miles an hour.
Exactly.
So you gotta get out the way, nigga. I would if I could. Every time I get up, I go down. My boy Mike, the only one that ain't got injured, man. You got that lucky clover on you and you ain't told us about. My red perk, Debo arm fucked up. We decided to go the baby route. The bunny hill. See, it's a grown man laying on the ground at 6 feet. It took me 10 minutes just to hop on this bitch. I don't even know where Debo went. I think Mike done broke his board somehow. This is what he should have did. He should have did the classes. My last one, bruh. I'm about to dip. I gotta go to work. Mike and Marge down there. I think I'm about to come back up. I'm gonna wait on him to come over on the last one. It's gonna look real good or real ass. You about to find out. I use my left foot.
What's the front and back camera?
Oh, the front, so it can see me. See me being trimmed. Drug is real. You can stand up. You can stand up. I'm trying to wait for bro, cause I don't want to just run straight into him. I don't know how to turn. Yeah, let's do it. You go first.
Nigga talk, you go first.
Say no, all right. Mike ain't even on his shit.
Come on.
I gotta let you go first. See ya. All right, let's see. Hey! Oh, I got it. Boy! And I slid back down the hill like a G. Up the hill, down the hill, you know. That kind of stuff. Oh, damn. Oh, how you gonna blame me? I don't think that's on a thing.
How you gonna blame us?
You ain't nowhere near it. Hey, ain't that the thing? He gonna blame me. Bro, you 30 meters away.
How you blame us?
Ain't this about a bit. I'm telling you, that left foot. You can't blame me for that one, dog. Hey, dog. Aftermath, y'all. I gotta go to the motherfucking medical clinic. Go to urgent care and talk to the people. I'm about to take today off. Nigga, my rib really hurt. Like, bro, I can't laugh. I can breathe, but if I try to laugh, I'm gonna feel that shit. My nigga Mike, he straight.
My hand hurt like
He
shit.
said his hand hurt and his hand hurt because these niggas want to land with their hands. I'm gonna see y'all on the next one though. We gotta come up with some cold shit, or we gonna bring everybody back the next time. This shit gonna be hilarious.